With products available in the market containing every single essential item, growing a beard can turn out to be a pretty easy and inexpensive task, as you only essentially need 2 beard products. So let's take a look at the most minimal yet effective beard routine containing only 2 products. Welcome to the Alpha Army. You can add different products to your beard routine like a serum or a beard balm or mustache wax, and although they will work for the betterment of your beard, you only essentially need 2 products. A beard wash that is not too harsh on your beard so that it does not damage it, and a beard oil that contains mostly all the elements vital for a healthy beard. Now you can wash your beard in the shower while you're bathing, but I can't recommend this with 100% surety, as other products like a face wash, shampoo or conditioner can flow down on your beard and mess things up after you wash it. So whenever possible, try to wash your beard separately. So as I said, for the beard wash, you need something that is not too harsh, and therefore preferably a sulfate-free item. So this time I've decided to give Mars by GHC a try with their beard wash, and it contains a combination of ingredients that at least I have never seen before in this product category. Like argan oil, biotin and aloe vera in a beard wash. Man, that's something new. And it is sulfate-free, so it's not going to be too harsh on the beard. When you wash it, clean the skin underneath the beard thoroughly, because a lot of oil produced by the skin gets accumulated there, and the beard itself also traps a lot of dirt from the air. Far more than you could ever imagine, so take your time and clean the hair strands and the skin underneath thoroughly after you find yourself a good beard wash. Another thing I found using this beard wash is that it lathers pretty well, which we don't usually get to see with sulfate-free products. So I am comfortable enough to say that this beard wash batters most of the other sulfate-free items in the lather production category. And although it does not help with the washing process, more lather can make the application of any product feel really good and soothing. But the second and the last product you're going to need for this minimal yet effective beard care routine is a good beard oil. Similar to the beard wash, go for a beard oil that contains mostly all the elements vital for a healthy beard. Now this is one such beard oil. It's got bringraj and onion oil to increase the hair growth rate. It's got tea tree oil to prevent any bacterial accumulation, alongside some other really good ingredients like brahmi and jojoba oils. So it checks all the marks in the ingredients menu. But another reason for me for selecting this beard oil is that it is the perfect item to pair with the Mars by GHC beard wash, because both of them are meant and created to work together. So it happens to be the perfect combination for your beard. After you wash it, don't wait for your beard to get completely dry, as you can apply the beard oil to towel dried beard and it's gonna work better that way. So go ahead and give your beard a good massage with the goodness of this beard oil. And although you don't have to go too wild with applying the oil, but you still need to get a fair amount of beard oil to the skin underneath your beard to promote healthy and more hair growth. Of course, the more products you add to your beard care routine, the better and softer your beard will get. But never make the mistake of underestimating the most basic products that your body requires. And you can have a respectable, healthy looking beard using only these 2 products. A good quality beard wash and a beard oil that contains all the vital ingredients. But another thing I want to tell you about Mars by GHC is that they've actually got a number where you can have a free consultation by a health coach. Or you can go to their website or download their app from the Play Store and get a free online assessment, so that the products you get are always perfect for you. And because you're my brother, you can get up to 30% off when you buy this product from the link present in the description. So go get the stuff and give your beard the treatment it deserves. And with